Hey, it's Zoe and Oliver. Say hi. Sup. And welcome to Kids Cooking with Zoe. And today we're starting a new series called Storytime. So let's get started. So Storytime is when I talk about a time where I cooked, an interesting recipe or an interesting time that I want to talk to you about. And today's story time is going to be about last Christmas when I got this little guy, Oliver. And so I'm going to tell you about last Christmas. So basically my story starts around nighttime on Christmas Eve. I was really hoping for a dog for Christmas because dogs are like trending now. And so I really wanted a dog because they're so cute and cuddly. And my favorite dog is a Yorkshire, inspired by my grandma Julie's Yorkshire named Andy. I just loved him so much and it made me want a Yorkshire a lot. And so, next Christmas morning, I woke up. I was so excited to open presents. Santa came, cookies were gone. And I woke up Mom and Dad and Max, and Mom was like, wait to open the presents, and she took like an hour to make these muffins. So we had these muffins, and then we opened the presents, and I started doing one of my Lego sets. And then Dad sat up at the table and he said,
"Okay, so I've got a family present for all of us."
And he walked out and to the garage, and he came back in with a bucket with a red bow on it. A white bucket, which is now this little guy's toy bucket, and it was shaking, and he put it on the floor, and right then, as soon as it shook, I knew it was a little dog. And I opened it, and he was way smaller than this. He had black fur. He was so cute, and Max was playing his new keyboard, and he goes,
"Is that Andy?"
And Mom was like, "No, it's our dog." And so we named him Oliver, and now he's such a blessing to our lives. Sometimes he just won't get to his bed, or he won't obey. So yeah,
eat pecans.
Yeah, and he just threw up earlier about eating a pecan. And he's a present that keeps giving. So I'm really happy about that. And of course, Christmas resumed. We were so happy. I said,
"Oh my God, I think I know what it is."
And I just squealed and all that stuff when I got him. And so it resumed, and now it's time to start talking about our dinner. Our dinner, Graham came and Uncle John, and we all had a great dinner. Turkey, Grandma's famous ham. Dad made it. It wasn't as good, but it was still good. And we just had a great Christmas, and I was so happy because we got this little guy. He's such a blessing to my life, sometimes, as I said. And so, as I said, this guy is a blessing in my life, and we figured out that it was actually from Grandma Julie. She sent us money, and Mom and Dad, like 3 days before Christmas or sometime, they went to Asheville and got him, and he was just a little rascal. He ripped his sister's eye out. So this holiday season, I really want to inspire you to be a gift giver, because being a gift giver can really change your life. It makes you feel all warm and happy inside, and it brings blessings to other people's life, just like him. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and Merry Christmas. Say bye.